The voice that was never there. The 2008 Denton tape incident. At exactly 2:13 a.m. on October 14th, 2008, I heard something that was never supposed to exist. It started as routine. I was inside a small off-campus recording studio near Denton, assisting a graduate audio project led by Ethan Cole, a 27-year-old sound engineering student, and his partner Marissa Velez, age 25. Their goal was simple: record ambient silence inside an unused lecture hall at University of North Texas for a sound design experiment. We entered room B117 at 1:52 a.m. No students, no electricity, except our portable equipment, no movement. I remember clearly, because we checked twice, no one else was inside that building. At exactly 2 a.m., Ethan hit record. For 13 minutes, nothing happened. No footsteps, no whispers, no interference, just silence. We packed up and left by 2:18 a.m. Nothing felt wrong until we played the tape back. At timestamp 00732, Marissa paused the audio. Her hands started shaking. There was a voice, clear, human, male, and I swear to you, we did not hear it while recording. The voice said, "You shouldn't have come back here." We froze because no one spoke those words in that room. Ethan rewound it again. This time, we noticed something worse. The voice was layered underneath our breathing, meaning it wasn't recorded after us. It was recorded at the same time, but we never heard it. We checked the equipment logs. No external input, no frequency overlap, no radio interference. Detected. Microphones were unidirectional. This was a controlled recording environment, and yet, there was a voice inside it. Then Marissa noticed something that made my stomach drop. At 00, right after the voice, you can hear a chair move. We all looked at each other. There were no chairs in that room. We went back to room B117 at 3:11 a.m. Same setup, same silence. But this time, something changed. The temperature dropped suddenly. Not gradually, instantly. My breath became visible. Ethan whispered, "Do you feel that?" And right then, from the far corner of the room, I heard movement. Not loud, just enough, a slow drag, like something shifting weight on the floor. We turned our lights. Nothing was there. But the recorder, it was still running. Later that morning, at 9:42 a.m., we reviewed the second recording. There was no voice this time, but there was something else. At exactly 00:02:11, the audio captured 3 distinct breaths, not 2. 3. We were only 2 people inside that room. Ethan and Marissa refused to return after that day. The university later sealed room B117 for structural concerns. No official report was ever released. But I still have the original file, and I've listened to it more times than I should. Each time, the voice sounds closer. Follow Dark Horror, evidence for more horror story.